let's take a whirlwind tour of what it's like to build a website using the Squarespace website builder. So I've just jumped onto their site, have signed up, I've chosen one of their demo templates to get started with, but I'll show you that once you're in here, you've got some settings down the left hand side here, and you also have the option of this right up the top near where it says example site. I can click on this button and it gives me a fuller preview of what my site looks like. So they're my two main options on this page, but I'll show you how you can change that design. We can go in and click on template and install new template, and I'll show you what some of those designs look like as well. They do have a whole lot of kind of more arts based photography, portfolio, and just really creative templates that you can use. So coming down, you might find one if you're in the kind of restaurant industry or you want to show off your design portfolio. You'll find plenty of options for that. You just come down, and on any of these you hover over them, view them, then you can preview what it looks like with your content and then choose to use those templates. So pretty simple to be able to change around those templates, and there are a lot of options as well. Now in terms of pages and navigation, if I click on pages, you'll see here that they've got all the pages that I can move around and change the settings. If you wanted to add in an example page, click on plus and you've got things like just a straight up normal page, products, cover page, galleries, events. There's a few options there. We're just going to select a regular page, and we might call this features. We can use a starter layout as well, which is a pretty unique feature to Squarespace. You can choose from how you'd like your features to be shown and click on start editing. Now, if I just save this, if we're on a particular page and you come over and you hover over the page, you've got the option to adjust the banner that shows above the actual page elements, or you can change the settings. But if you just click on edit, and I'll show you what it's like to edit what we'd call the elements and blocks of the site. So you'll see this little teardrop shaped icon on the side. If I click on there, this shows you all the what Squarespace calls the content blocks that you can add in here. So we've got things like text, image, video, a kind of more gallery view. You can have summary of content. You can have things like lines or spaces if you want a little bit more space on your site, calendars, bookings. You can have links, linking up to commerce, charts, and social media icons, where just for the purpose of this example, we're just going to add in some text. Welcome. Very simple to do. And if you need to actually drag any of these around, I can just click on there, click like that. So very simple, save, and that has updated our site. Now going over to our blog, I click on news here, which is how they've got it set up. I've got news. If I wanted to add in a post, I'll show you how easy it is. Welcome. Thanks for visiting. There's a whole lot of options that you can change here on each of your blog posts, and you can save it, or you can save it and publish if you'd like to. So there's our blog post. Very simple to be able to just add those posts or schedule them to be posted at a different time. Now the final thing that we're going to be looking at is just the settings and analytics. You've got commerce over here if you're going to be selling things on your site. You've also got analytics, which will give you an overview of the traffic on your site and the number of people kind of coming in from different places like, say, social media or your own promotion in other areas. You also have settings, which you can, when you're looking down here, it's just things like billings, an account, and things like basic information about your website. So if I click on there, things like site description that are going to show up there, domains, emails, marketing, and details if you've got a e-commerce store. So all in all, Squarespace is a very user-friendly website builder to use. You'll find that the actual designs are probably up there with the top website builders that are available. So I don't think you'll be disappointed if you choose this as an option for building your website.